Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. What we'll be doing today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear window switch on Mazda CX-7. Now we'll have, guys, more than 200 videos on Mazda CX-7, so please subscribe to the channel. We'll have so much information on that thing. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, you can find in the description of the video below all the parts and tools that we use and what we'll be using in these videos. So thank you for watching and let's start on it now. So we need a small flathead screwdriver right here. We need to remove this cap. Okay, pop it open like that. It will come out eventually. Okay, perfect. Right here there is one screw with a Phillips screwdriver that we need to remove. Okay, let me see which one's better, with the light or without the light. I think with the light. So let's go ahead and remove that screw now. Right here, another screw. You might have a cap there, you might not have a cap. Okay, perfect. Now this cap right here, guys, let's remove that one as well. With a plastic panel removal tool, all the parts and tools that we use, they will be listed in the description of the video below. Yes, 2 clips. They go in these holes right here. Now with a plastic panel removal tool, guys, we're going to start popping the clips open. Okay, let's see where we can start that. You can get the tool in. I'll recommend to get on the front side. Okay, and once you start it, usually you come out, you need to pull this way. We'll show you where all the clips are and all that stuff. Okay. Once we remove the panel, sometimes those clips will break, so we have to replace them. Stay with us and we'll show you where we get our replacement clips from. Now right here, guys, we need to disconnect, okay, the window switch. So but before that, we're going to disconnect the door handle by pulling out like that and disconnecting, okay, the cables. The yellow one goes on top. So now we can actually show you the clip for the switch. Okay, right here you can see this clip, push in, pull out. Okay, just like that. So you can see, guys, those clips now. Okay, this is a good clip, it's still good, but how you pull them out of the door if they break. Stay with us and we'll show you and where we get our replacement ones, because it's really good deal, I promise you. So those are the clips. They come with even the tools necessary to remove door panels. It comes with a, actually you can see with a prying tool as well, the metal prying tool here. We got 2 sets of those because we use them so much. Okay, and you have to go under the clip and just pry it out. Sometimes they will be super tight. Careful not to go in your eyes. Okay, this came out. Let us just show you now how you replace them. Perfect. Now we need to find a clip that is close to this one. So check it out now. This is like, I don't know, 400 and something clips, I believe. 324 clips together. They have different packages, different options, so we need to find that close to that one. Okay, and you can see this one will work. So let's check on the hole. Oh, yep, it will go in. So all we have to do, just slide it right there on the panel, push in, okay, and later install your panel. So that's how you guys replace the clips. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So we have 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips that hold the panel in place. So with the door panel removed, guys, okay, let us show you now. This is your window switch right here. That's why you have to remove your door panel, because you have Phillips screwdriver now, 2 screws that we need to go ahead and remove. Whoever thought about that design, it's a little bit not so convenient. Some vehicles you can just pull the switch without doing any disassembly, which is a really good thing. And this is, guys, okay, your window switch that comes out of the way. Stay with us, we'll grab a new one, replace it and show you how to put it together now. So when you get the new one, guys, okay, all we have to do, put it together just in reverse order that we took it apart. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos and hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money. See you guys next time.